Who are you? Okay. How was your pre-board examination? How was your pre-board examination? First pre-board examination. I want an honest answer. Okay, because today I am going to discuss about your marking scheme. It means answers. It was easy, Millie. Fine. So, the children, please raise your hand who will going to get out of marks 80 out of 80. Please raise your hand. Okay, chalo. 79 and 80. Now raise your hand. How many of you think so that you will get 80 out of 80? Miliranka, not sure. Ayush Lunia is saying he will get 80 out of 80. Good. How many of you? Only Ayush will get 80 out of 80. Nandika 75 above. Ayush Lunia 75 plus, ma'am. No, I just want to know who will get 80 out of 80 means out of marks. 79 and 80. Veeram is saying 77. Ayush, you're not sure how much marks you will get. So, my dear children, your papers are checked. Bit papers are remade today. I will finish it, and very soon you will get your marks. And it's not about marks actually. I am talking about your examinations. How many of you are thinking that in this way, in this pattern, how many of you will get good marks in board examinations? How many of you will get? How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready to face your board examinations in this way, the way you are giving your examinations? Only the honest person will reply me. Otherwise, बैठो चुपचाप. It means no one is honest in my class. No one is replying. It means no one is honest in my class. No, beta. Its time is over for trying now. I think I am Nandika. Punya Baradia. Ayush Lumia is saying about Harshit. Ayush, tell me about yourself, beta. You are not a defense lawyer of Harshit, okay? So, means Nandika and Punya Baradia are ready. Rest of you. One thing I would like to clear here, मैंने बहुत बार और भी कहा है कि जरूरी नहीं है जो बच्चा वर्बली बहुत अच्छा है वो आंसर पेपर पे ऑन पेपर पे डिलीवर भी उतना अच्छा करता. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, I think from since class 8, when you people were in class 8, I am telling one thing कि beta write your answer in points. I am not telling about the other subjects. I am only telling about the SST. प्लीज आप अपने आंसर्स पॉइंट में लिखिए. इफ स्पेशली इट इज आज राइट एनी 3 points, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट स्टेट व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, और ऐसे जब पॉइंट में पूछा गया तो पॉइंट में आंसर लिखिए. ऊपर एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दो, 3 पॉइंट लिख दो, 5 मार्क्स का है 5 पॉइंट्स लिख दो. बट नो, एंड द मोस्ट डिसअपॉइंटिंग थिंग इज सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. Why this source based question is there? Because you will just read the paragraph and related only 4 questions are there. You need to reply it. Very sorry to say, beta, none of you, 2 children are there who got full 20 out of 20, 16 out of 16. rest of you, none of you got full marks. Okay, and वेरी सॉरी टू से आप लोगों ने चीटिंग भी बहुत भरपूर किया है. ये चीटिंग कैसे पकड़ में आ रहा है? सपोज आई एम वन स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर क्लास एंड आई सर्कुलेटेड माई आंसर. मैंने कहीं पे लिखा है मल्टी पार्ट सिस्टम और द पॉलिटिकल पार्ट. तो मैंने जिनको सर्कुलेट किया ना, उन महानुभावों ने भी वो चीज मल्टी पार्ट पॉलिटिकल पार्ट लिखा, उसको पार्टी करने की जहमत नहीं उठाई है. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनीवन्स नेम हियर, बट यू पीपल आर मोर smarter than the teachers. Okay, children, am I clear? And one more thing was there that मैम इसमें तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. It shows that how much you are attentive in the class while discussing, while revising all the questions. At least once we have revised all the questions in our revision section. Please check your recorded live videos. जिन लोगों ने गूगल किया था ना, आई एम डैम श्योर उन्हीं लोगों को प्रॉब्लम आया कि ऑप्शन सही नहीं है. Those who go through their NCERT books, those who go through their discussion, those who were the attentive while discussing in the class, they got their right answers. और जिन्होंने ओके गूगल किया है वो तो उनको तो लगेगा ही कि ऑप्शन नहीं था इसमें. No doubt, many of you got very highest mark like 80, 79, है ना. बहुत सारे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ऑप्शंस मार्क्स आपने लाए. मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट 75 प्लस. बस देन आफ्टर बीइंग an SST teacher, I have to say I am disappointed because of your pattern of writing. बेटा, I am your teacher. I will give you marks blindly कि मेरे बच्चे ने 3 पॉइंट लिखा है, एटलीस्ट इसका कॉन्सेप्ट सही है, I will give the marks. बट बोर्ड में आपके टीचर नहीं होंगे, आपकी अंजू मैडम नहीं बैठेगी वहां पे. Are you getting my points? So prepare yourself. Fine. Today we will discuss our answers in the class. Then after, tomorrow onwards we will start once again paper solving and revision. Hope this time you will take it seriously because very soon in the next month you are going to face your pre-board second. Okay. And about the art and integration, if LMS it is not opening, please send me in my personal portal in my WhatsApp, but send it fast. It's not exactly. Fine. Shall we start question paper? Shall we? Here I am going to unmute all of you. With the promise, please maintain the dignity of the class. All of you are unmuted from my side, but मछली बाजार मत बनाना मेरी क्लास को. अच्छा, before this, one more thing I would like to tell here. Most of you, I am not telling anyone's name here, but most of you have written multiple choice questions. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस बताया है, फिर सेक्शन डी के 2 क्वेश्चन बनाए हैं, फिर सेक्शन ए का 1 क्वेश्चन बनाया है, फिर सेक्शन डी में आ गए, फिर सेक्शन सी में चले गए. बेटा मजाक हो रहा है? बोर्ड में एक लाइन से ऐसे काट दिया जाएगा आपका पेपर. एक लाइन से ऐसे काट दिया जाएगा. यू कैन नॉट डू like this in board. क्या ये चीज मैंने आप लोगों को नहीं बताया था कि बेटा सेक्शन वाइज आपको बनाना है? सेक्शन वाइज यू हैव टू आंसर. No doubt, if you're solving section D first, write over there section D and solve section D. No need to merge all the section here. How many of you have done in this pattern? Shall I announce the name here? Yes, I got one honest answer. बहुत से लोगों ने किया, especially girls. So next time, don't repeat the same. Now here, I am starting with section A. Who destroyed democracy in France? Who destroyed?
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Yes, Napoleon Bonaparte.
Napoleon Bonaparte.
Why did the
Napoleon Bonaparte.
what did the term picket refer to?
Blocking the shops.
Blocking shops.
Yes. What was young Italy?
Secret society.
Secret society.
During the
Secret society.
British
Secret society.
influences were there. ये था आप लोग का एक क्वेश्चन जिसमें आप लोगों को डाउट था. जिन्होंने गूगल किया, yes, जिन्होंने गूगल किया उनको मिला. Yes, 8 is right answer. Absolutely right answer, 8 is. The ocean resource beyond 200 nautical miles are classified under which zone?
Exclusive economic zone.
Yes, right answer.
Exclusive economic zone.
In which month of the kharif crops are harvested?
September to October.
September to October.
September.
What is the contribution of industry to GDP?
17%.
Right answer.
22%.
17% is right answer. The first port developed soon after independence.
Kandla Port.
Yes,
Kandla.
Kandla is right answer. Option is there under the government scheme of dash. Every village of the country is linked to a major town is the country by
Pradhanmantri.
Gramin Sadak Yojana.
Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. The filling of accommodation has led to the problem in Sri Lanka. True or false?
False.
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 Accommodation has led to the problem in Sri Lanka. True or false?
False.
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 Every part in the country has to register within the dash.
Election Commission.
Election
Election Commission.
Election Commission.
Beside Hindi, India has 21 official languages. True or false?
True.
True.
False.
True.
True.
False. False.
And true.
एक मिनट चिल्लाओ मत. Who is saying false?
True.
It would be true. Choose the wrong statement about democracy. Promotes equality among citizens, enhance the dignity of the individual, provide a method to resolve conflicts, does not have room to correct mistake.
D does
Option
not
D.
have room to correct mistake.
अच्छा, democracy provides a method to resolve conflict. Method data है democracy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone of you can tell me please the method? Anyone method?
Ma'am, power sharing between the communities so that the conflict may not occur.
Yes. Excellent answer. Full form of SED is
Sustainable economic development.
people cannot expect jobs
Yeah.
in an organized sector.
False.
False.
True.
False.
False. Bank in India these days hold about 15% of deposits as cash?
15. 15. Yes, ma'am.
15%.
In the question,
15.
15%, ma'am.
in the question given below, there are two statement marked as assertion and the reasons. Read the statement and choose the correct option. Different people have different development goals. People want freedom, equality, security, and respect.
Both are correct, but reason is not
Ma'am, R
correct
is not correct
explanation of
explanation of
it.
it.
Both A and B are A and
Both
R are
are
correct,
correct.
but R is not the correct explanation of A.
Good.
B.
Explain any three causes that led to the tribal to revolt in the Godem Hills in Andhra Pradesh. Any one of you can answer.
Ma'am, the colonial government has taken the large forest areas
Hmm.
and not allowing tribals to enter the forest for grazing their cattle. Your first point.
Hmm.
Second point, the government was forcing the peasants of the Gudean Hills to do unpaid work like building the roads.
Good.
And the last point is the tribal who was strongly dependent on the forest for food, fruits, and fuel were not allowed it to carry out these activities effectively their livelihood.
ठीक है. Describe briefly any three economic effects of non-cooperation movement. Many of you have written this answer, so you can answer. Any one of you?
Ma'am, sale from 102 crores went to 57 crores, which is nearly half the amount of foreign cloths.
Hmm.
Indian market rose. Khadi means khadi cloth came into the market. Shopkeepers denied to deal with foreign clothes, and foreign clothes were burned near the means shops and all.
Excuse me, children.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Just 1 minute.
मैम म्यूट हो आप.
Okay, children. Let's continue. Next is describe any three main features of two-party system. Describe any three main features of two-party system.
People have to vote uh, between these two parties only. They don't
Huh?
have any other choice.
Yes.
Most of the
They
times,
don't have any.
both the parties contest for the same ideology.
One by one, children, not in this
Ma'am,
way. Yes.
ma'am, there is fair chance of participation. If there will only single party, then it will be like means dictatorship. So multi-party system gives fair chance of participation. Secondly, the role of opposition.
Two-party system है.
Ma'am, role of opposition is also important, as means if a party is taking a decision without any interaction with people, so the another party will lose the election, plays the role of opposition.
Very good. Nice. The next question is,
Ma'am, in my PDF, two-party system was written.
yes, describe any three main features of two-party system.
Two-party system is not multi-party system.
It's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
multi-party system. Two-party system is two-party system.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, Veeram answered of multi-party.
Veeram was answering of multi-party system.
Actually, power usually changes between two parties. Several other parties may exist. Okay. In such system, people get clear choice. The party that wins majority form the government and the other sits in the opposition. A strong opposition is good for democracy. Promote decisions are taken and implemented. More development and the less corruption. Is it clear? Now it is clear, children? Describe any three steps taken by the government towards decentralization in the year 19.
Ma'am, reserve.
1/3 seats were reserved for women. Election commission
Yes.
1/3 of position
was
of
set
women
up,
is reserved.
and the election were mandatory to hold.
Mandatory to local government bodies.
Yes. Fine. The next is option is there. Describe any three federal feature of Indian democracy. Okay. Before answering, listen to me. For these answer, I asked here, the question is about the describe any three federal features of Indian democracy. I asked here about the federal features. Most of you have written about the features of democracy. So children, you are now in class 10th. First of all, you need to read the question twice, thrice. If there any doubt, you need to read the question twice or thrice. But then after you committed same mistakes again and again. 4 to 5 children have written there the features of democracy. Then you will come to me with your PDF, ma'am, I have written here the features. But the question is asked here, the federal features of democracy, not about the features of democracy. Okay? Got it? Got the question properly? Now, describe any three federal features of Indian democracy.
Then central, state and local government have different jurisdiction.
Yes.
Written in constitution.
Written in constitution is it a federal feature? Federal means what? First of all, we need to know what is the meaning of federal. In class 10, you need to know this federal system. Since class 6, we are reading this thing, है ना? We are studying this about this. Many of you have written wrong answer of this question. The correct answer would be the Constitution clearly provided threefold distribution of legislative powers between the Union government and the state government into three lists, namely Union, State and Concurrent list. Second, the fundamental provision of the Constitution cannot be illiterate changed by one level of government. Such changes require the consent of both the level of government. The Constitution establishes the independent judiciary headed by the Supreme Court for two purposes. One, to protect the supremacy of the Constitution by the exercising the power of judicial review, and second, to settle the disputes between the center and the state or between the states. This would be the right answer. Excuse me, children. Okay. Fine. The next question is, explain with the example how people are involved with the banks. ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग के डेली लाइफ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. ये सुनो, बैंक में क्या क्या काम होता है वो आपको बताना है विद एग्जाम्पल. तो ये आप लोगों ने सही किया है. What is money? Why is modern money currency accepted as a medium? I'm waiting for your answer.
Ma'am, money is anything which
Method
acts
of
as a
exchange.
medium of exchange.
Yes.
Ma'am, in a bank question, we have to explain the loan activity.
Beta, I changed the question. I just changed the question. The question is, what is money? Why is modern money currency accepted as a medium of exchange?
No, ma'am, I'm asking only that in that we have to explain our bank activity, bank loan activity.
Yes. But now I'm asking about the money.
Ma'am, because modern money supervises the RBI supervises the money.
अच्छा, इसीलिए इसको एक्सचेंज किया, मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज. ठीक है, 1 point is okay. Second,
Ma'am, no other institution can publish modern currencies which are notes, paper, etc.
good.
This will be second one. And ma'am, what is accessibility?
And what? Yeah, Veera,
These all are used all over the country. No one can deny.
Yes. Now the next question is, average income is important, but it has limitations while using it. All of we know about the average income, है ना? First of all, we need to define the average income, then need to write about the limitations of average income. So what would be the answer?
Ma'am, average income is the total income of the country.
Yes.
It has limitation as it cannot give the health status of country, and it cannot give the infant mortality rate, other etc.
Yes. Only one has written that
It can not.
but its distribution makes the rich the richer and the poor the poorer. ठीक है? Describe any 3 features of Indian tourism as a trade. It was an open-ended question. आप जितने भी tourism के
May I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, tourism has grown a lot in India. Foreign tourist arrival has witnessed an increase. This contributes in the foreign exchange. Second point, it provides support to local handicrafts and culture pursuits. It provides support to them. India has become a popular destination for heritage, adventure, and business tourism.
Good. Now the next section was source-based question or the case study questions. है ना? Where you need to read the given paragraph properly and then answer it. But then after, most of you have committed mistakes here. So source-based question I am skipping here. And tomorrow onwards, please see it with your pen and paper because written revision, I will take written revision with your camera. मैंने बोला आप लोगों को कैमरा ऑन करके बैठेंगे. Those are using smartphone, smart TV or desktop, either use a web camera or please use mobile. Fine, because tomorrow onwards I will take written revision in a proper method. If you are attentive in the class, beta, you will write in a correct way. है ना? I think daily हर revision में, each and every revision I tell about how to write the answer, how to write the answer. Then after, you people, you children are committing mistakes. Why so? Intentionally. इंटेंशनली ऐसा कर रहे हैं या फिर आप अपने आप को असिस्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, बहुत ईज में ले रहे हैं? बेटा आई वॉन्ट आंसर. नो आंसर. Okay, then after the major mistakes, I think 80% of you have committed was, I'm coming to the point, that is about, wait, here I would like to share my screen with you. The question of map work, है ना? Here I am allow, मैंने सबको अलाउ करके रखा है, एनोटेशन यहाँ पे फ्री करके रखा है. Just raise your hand, then after you can annotate here. Let me see the name of annotators. Who is annotating here? So please mark. कुशल खजांची wanted to mark here. हाँ, मध्य प्रदेश में क्या मार्क करना चाहते हो कुशल? I told just raise your hand, then mark Vishakhapatnam. First of all, raise your hand. Okay, पुण्य प्लीज विशाखापट्टनम यहाँ पे मेंशन करिए, उसके बाद आप भी रिमूव करिए. दैट इज विशाखापट्टनम. रिमूव इट. पुण्य बरड़िया. रेड वन इज बाय पुण्य. ओके, हाँ पुण्य फिर से करो. विशाखापट्टनम. प्लीज मार्क देयर विशाखापट्टनम. इज इट पूरब? मार्क विशाखापट्टनम देयर. Darshan, don't do so. Darshan Surana. If I am making you free, it's wrong. It is wrong. Anyone else? Purab? Purab? Okay, Ayush Lunia, then Mehul Sethia. First of all, Ayush Lunia, mark Vishakhapatnam. Yes, absolutely right. See the distance. Most of you, not most of you, I think 80% of children mark here, विशाखापट्टनम. यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने विशाखापट्टनम मार्क किया है, जो कि गलत है. Got it, children? It is absolutely wrong. Most of you have done that. Okay? So, while map pointing, whenever you are solving the question of map pointing, be very clear about it. Practice political map of India. If you want so, I am ready to give you a practice of political map too. Do you want so?
Yes, ma'am.
So no issue. Tomorrow, first of all, we will do tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever my class would be there, है ना? We will do political map practice. So be with political map, all of you. I will be also there on the DZ board. Fine. And we will practice of political map. We will start our revision with political practice map. Fine. And one more, children. In the next class, portal, one section is there. That is for model question paper or the pre-board question paper or the sample question paper. Please go through it, solve it by writing. Okay? आप उसको सॉल्व करिए लिख करके and send me PDF. Fine? God bless you, children.